Did you know that in Florida, there are two main types of contractor licenses you can apply for, each with its own set of rules and benefits? If you want to work legally as a contractor in the Sunshine State, you'll need to secure one of these licenses before you can take on projects or advertise your services. Let's break down exactly how to get licensed in Florida step by step, so you know what to expect and how to prepare. First, you'll need to figure out which type of license best fits your goals and the kind of work you want to do. There's the certified license, which allows you to work anywhere in Florida, from Miami to Jacksonville and everywhere in between. Or, if you plan to work only in a specific city or county, you can apply for the registered license, which is limited to certain local areas. Next, decide on your field of expertise. Division 1 licenses are for general, building, and residential contractors. These are the folks who handle big projects like new homes or commercial buildings. Division 2 licenses are for specialized trades such as roofing, plumbing, air conditioning, or electrical work. It's important to choose the right category because your license will determine the type of work you're legally allowed to perform. Take some time to research which division matches your skills and career goals. Now, let's talk about qualifications. To apply, you must be at least 18 years old, and you'll need a minimum of 4 years of relevant construction experience. This experience should be hands-on and directly related to the field you're applying for. If you've attended college or technical school, good news. Up to 3 years of your education can count toward the experience requirement. However, you'll still need at least 1 year working as a supervisor or foreman to show you have real-world leadership skills. Financial responsibility is also key. You'll need a credit score of at least 660 to qualify. If your score is lower, don't worry, you can still apply, but you'll need to complete a financial responsibility course to show you're prepared to manage a business. You'll also need to secure liability insurance and, if you have employees, workers' compensation insurance. Plus, Florida requires all applicants to undergo a background check, which includes fingerprinting, to ensure you meet the state's standards for honesty and integrity. Now it's time to gather your documents. You'll need proof of your work experience, education transcripts if you're using college credits, your insurance policies, a recent credit report, and your completed application form. Double-check that you have everything on the checklist, because missing paperwork can delay your approval. Once you've assembled your documents, submit your application along with the required fee to Florida's Department of Business and Professional Regulation, or DBPR. You can do this online or in person, whichever is more convenient for you. Ready to take the next step and level up your career? Before you can get your license, you'll need to pass 2 exams: the Business and Finance exam, which covers topics like contracts, accounting, and Florida construction law, and a trade knowledge exam specific to your field. Don't worry if you're feeling nervous. There are plenty of prep courses both in person and online to help you study and boost your confidence before test day. Many successful contractors recommend taking advantage of these resources to make sure you're fully prepared. Once you've passed your exams and submitted all your paperwork, all that's left is to wait for your application to be reviewed and approved by the state. The approval process can take several weeks, so be patient and keep an eye on your email or mailbox for updates. Congratulations, you're now well on your way to becoming a licensed Florida contractor. With your new license, you'll be able to take on bigger projects, grow your business, and build a successful career in Florida's booming construction industry.